This Behemoth is exactly that. It's a huge chunk of aluminum and gears and all kinds of stuff hanging off of one mount right there. So there's no support right here for this to stop from bouncing around. But Behemoth has the solution. So let's go check it out. And this is it. This attaches to the rear snout of the Colossus 205 right here. And this guy right here welds straight to it. And luckily I have a nice cross member very close. You'll see it in a second. So let's get this all mocked up and tacked up under the truck. All right, so I'm just mocking this up right now. I tighten this down onto the back end of the 205 here. And here's my bushing. So it goes right to this cross member that's already here. And all I have to do is mark where I want to weld, clean it all up, and we're ready to go. I'm just going to grind some of this down so I have a nice spot to weld on. Alright, so after finishing up welding this to the mount, I bugger welded some tabs to the cross member, and now we're just going to mount it up. Just like that, we'll put the top half on. All right, and that right there is how you secure your Behemoth to your frame, to your cross member. Thanks for watching.